Okay, we're back. Here's what we're doing today. This W7, 8W7 is in rough shape. It's it's not good. So we're gonna get this thing fixed up. New coil, spider, surround, the whole nine. First step is to get this dust boot off so you can loosen up the terminal, because you can't get to that screw in there without taking the dust boot off. It's just in the way, causing a headache. So, all right, we're gonna get started on it. Here we go. Now I got some soapy water here just to help get the dust boot off, because it's on there. It's tight. It's real tight on there. Now I don't care about getting the coil or anything wet. It's all gonna get replaced. Cool. Ooh. God, it's even dirty. It's even dirty under the terminal. Gross. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, it was clipped to death. That's why that coil broke. Now, I've already had this thing soaking in Goof Off. Not sponsored, but hey, hit me up. For a few days now, soaking it, once in the morning, once at night. So this adhesive and foam should just, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like butter. No problem. That was easy. So now to get the center removed, we're gonna do that with a little bit of heat and a pry tool. Easy. That's what soaking in Goof Off for a few days does. Comes right off. That adhesive is just falling off. Perfect. Now scrape off the rest of this crap. Just falls off. Love that. This thing's been reconed once, and they did a terrible job. I don't know if you can see it. The edge here is all wavy, and there's even a slit cut right there. So whoever did this last didn't know what they were doing. Probably just replaced the foam, which is fine, whatever, but don't cut. Don't cut the plastic, you idiot. We're gonna keep working at this and cleaning off the old gunk. Probably soak it and Goof Off some more, but work on this a bit. Now, this is something new I'm going to try, super glue remover. I believe JL uses some sort of CA glue, aka super glue, to glue the spider down. So I'm going to put this on, do the same thing I would normally do with a surround, and put this on, let it sit for a while, and apply a few more coats, if you will, to see if that loosens it up, makes it easier to get off. So as long as it doesn't attach itself to the pull piece, we're gonna give it a shot. All right, there you go. That's it. We're gonna just let that chill for now. And see about cleaning up that dust cap. Yeah. Yeah, this you definitely know this thing's been refoamed at least once, because there's a shitload of scratches underneath this thing. All right, we're gonna use the super glue remover on this too. Just to, for the hell of it. Yeah, it feels like it's softening up a little bit. But yeah, I'll let this sit overnight. I'm not in any kind of rush. I'm still waiting on the parts to show up anyway. There you go. There's about 20 cents worth of copper, maybe. And you know what? For the hell of it, let's do this too. Sure. Let's see what happens with that. So everything's soaking in the super glue remover. After soaking in the goof off the original, we'll see what happens. See if all this garbage loosens up. I'll come back out here periodically and spray her down. All right, that's it for now.